In this project, we built a comprehensive NLP pipeline using the 20 Newsgroups dataset. Our goal was to compare classic text representations with modern embedding-based approaches and then perform hierarchical clustering with interpretable topic labeling. We start with part 1, using TF-IDF vectorization. As the script initiates, you can see the terminal loading 18,846 total documents. This dataset is split into 11,314 training samples and 7,532 test samples distributed across 20 distinct classes. As the execution completes, we evaluate 4 classifiers. In this specific run, multinomial naive Bayes emerged as our top performer with accuracy 0.7025, macro F1 score 0.6802. Logistic regression followed closely with an accuracy of 0.6907. These results demonstrate that classic models provide a strong and efficient baseline for this specific dataset. To analyze the blind spots, we visualize the confusion matrix for our best model. The bright diagonal line confirms a high volume of correct predictions. However, the terminal highlights specific confusion pairs, such as talk.religion.missy being misclassified as alt.atheism 29 times. This indicates that while the model is strong, it struggles with categories that share overlapping vocabulary. SentenceTransformer embeddings. Next, we pivot to part 2, replacing TF-IDF with SentenceTransformer embeddings using the all-mini-LML 6v2 model. This generates dense vectors of size 384 for each document. Interestingly, performance dropped with this approach. The top performer was Random Forest with accuracy 0.6616, macro F1 score 0.6340. The technical interpretation confirms that for the jargon-heavy 20 Newsgroups data, topic-specific keywords are strong signals that sparse linear models can exploit more effectively than dense semantic vectors. In part 3, we move to unsupervised learning. We apply KMeans clustering to all document embeddings. To find the optimal number of clusters, we use the elbow method. As seen in part 3 _elbow.png, we selected k equals 3 based on the max curvature heuristic. This resulted in 2 primary large groups with sizes of 9,891 and 8,430 documents, respectively. Finally, we reclustered the largest groups to create a hierarchy. Opening topic _tree.txt, we see the resulting structure. Cluster 0, characterized by keywords like people/just/think, with subclusters focusing on sports like game/team/year. Cluster 1, focused on technical engagement, like/no/thanks, with specific subclusters for Windows and hardware, drive/card. Cluster 2, a distinct, smaller group identified simply by the greeting hello. Overall, this pipeline shows that while modern embeddings are powerful for capturing nuance, classic methods like TF-IDF remain highly effective for categorical text classification in specific keyword-driven domains.